Have you ever thought about what's in your drinking water? You might be surprised to learn it contains microplastics. Microplastics are tiny plastic particles, less than 5 millimeters in size. They come from various sources like broken plastic items, cosmetics, and even clothing. Let's dive into the process of analyzing microplastic contamination. First, we need to collect water samples from drinking sources. Next, we filter these samples to separate microplastics from water. This allows for accurate measurements. After filtration, we use a microscope for identification. Each microplastic type has unique characteristics. Recognizing these helps us understand their sources and potential risks. Scientists then analyze the contamination level. They measure how many particles are present per liter of water. Another step is to assess potential health risks. Research indicates microplastics may carry harmful chemicals. These can disrupt human hormones and lead to health issues. For example, a study found microplastics in urban water supplies. Residents had higher exposure compared to those in rural areas. So, how do we visualize this issue? Imagine pouring a glass of water. Now, picture tiny plastic specks floating inside. It might seem alarming, and it is. Summary time. Microplastics are tiny plastic particles found in water. We identify and measure them to assess health risks. Understanding this contamination is crucial for public health. Now, what can you do? Stay informed and check water quality reports. Advocate for cleaner water practices in your community. Together, we can tackle microplastic pollution. Have you ever considered how microplastics infiltrate our daily lives? They exist not just in water but in the air we breathe and the food we consume. Studies reveal that even fish and shellfish contain these particles, raising concerns about their impact on our diet. Each bite could potentially contain microplastics, prompting scientists to further research how they accumulate in the food chain. The journey of microplastics doesn't stop at our plates. They can enter our bodies, leading to unforeseen health consequences. As awareness grows, calls for action are more urgent than ever. Individuals, communities, and policymakers must collaborate to mitigate this pressing environmental challenge. Reducing plastic usage, supporting recycling initiatives, and advocating for stringent regulations can all contribute to cleaner ecosystems. Remember, knowledge is power. By understanding the presence of microplastics and their potential risks, we can make informed choices and drive change. Each small action adds up, leading us towards a healthier future. Together, let's strive for cleaner water, a cleaner planet, and ultimately, a cleaner life. As we move forward, it's vital to stay educated and share our findings with others, ensuring that everyone understands the significant threat posed by microplastics in our drinking water. Despite the daunting information, there is hope on the horizon. Innovative technologies and practices are emerging to tackle microplastic pollution at its source. For instance, researchers are developing advanced filtration systems that can effectively capture and eliminate microplastics from wastewater before it reaches our drinking sources. Additionally, community education programs focus on reducing plastic consumption and promoting sustainable materials. By changing our habits and fostering awareness, we can significantly lessen the impact of microplastics on our health and environment. Transitioning to a more eco-friendly lifestyle is not just beneficial, it is essential for the well-being of future generations. Every step towards sustainability counts in the fight against microplastic contamination. We must also support policy changes that prioritize environmental health and public safety. Promoting comprehensive regulations can significantly reduce plastic production and consumption. In conclusion, addressing microplastic pollution requires a collective effort to safeguard our health and the environment. By committing to sustainable practices and advocating for effective regulations, we can ensure cleaner water and a healthier planet for generations to come. Together, let's make a positive change and inspire others to join this crucial movement.